Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a small claims case with Nolo, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start a small claims case with Nolo, first visit Nolo's website. Navigate to the small claims section. Familiarize yourself with the information provided about small claims court. Review the eligibility requirements for filing a small claims case in your state. Gather all relevant documents and evidence related to your claim. This may include contracts, receipts, photographs, and any correspondence. Determine the correct amount to sue for, including damages and filing fees. Identify the appropriate small claims court for your case. You can usually find this information on your local court's website. Complete the necessary forms for filing your claim. Nolo offers downloadable forms that can simplify this process. Ensure you fill out all forms completely and accurately. Once the forms are completed, make copies for your records. Prepare to pay the filing fee, which varies by jurisdiction. Submit your completed forms and payment to the court clerk. Make sure to keep a record of your filing. You will then receive a date for your court hearing. Serve the defendant with the necessary documents according to your local rules. This may involve using a process server or certified mail. Prepare for your court appearance by organizing your evidence and arguments. Consider practicing your presentation to stay clear and concise. Attend the hearing on the scheduled date with all necessary materials. Present your case to the judge clearly and confidently. Be ready to answer any questions the judge may have. After the hearing, await the judge's decision regarding your case. If you win, follow up on receiving your judgment for damages. If necessary, understand the process for collecting your judgment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.